We've chosen the kupu wawata as our focus for this hui because from the whakatauki, Kotahi Mano Kāika, Kotahi Mano Wawata, we thought a real great focus for our rakatahi was wawata, our aspirations. How can we create a world that is better for us in the future?
Kia koutou ngā rangatira moa popo, koutou ngā rangatahi o nāi tonu nei. Kia koutou ki te para i te huarahi, para i te ara, ki te pai tawhiti. Mā koutou ke te pai tawhiti e whakatata mai. Nō reira, ki te ora tō tātou nei reo, o tātou nei tikanga, ka riro mā koutou, tira mā tātou katoa e rā mahi te hāpai. Nō reira, kia kaha, kia maia, kia manu anu.
Coming to do a workshop with the Rakatahi today, focusing on some of the important values that we should be thinking about when it comes to technology. We also talked about some mythology and how we use mythology to teach lessons of who we are and how we explain the world and the world around us. We discussed how we started our organisations with them, so hopefully they can see some potential in possibly starting their own careers within the digital industry.
Kia ora rā, ko Tropere Kingi tēnei. Kei o tautahi mātou i te Rakatahi Symposium, he wānanga tito waiata aha rānei, o tātou rangatahi auwe.
Through the creation of a waiata, it makes it all the more memorable. So hopefully they will look at the skills involved in composing waiata and giving thought to our future. They are our future leaders.
We just had a presentation of the Kāi Rakatahi Symposium. We came to talk about climate change, give the rangatahi a bit of an idea of how climate change is going to start having an impact on Ngātahi's takiwā over the next 30 to 40, 50 years.
And therefore allowing them to make decisions on whether they want to be making choices that enhance the environment or if they want to be making choices that will make the climate change worse.
Māori tuatahi, mā te kōrero i te reo Māori, ka kaha ake te mita ake o Kāi Tahu. Nā reira, Kāi Tahu, maranga mai, kia kaha, kia marama nui. Tēnā koutou.
Ki tākou whakapaenei me kaha me pūmau tātou te iwi Māori, ki tō tātou reo Māori, a me pūmau hoki tātou te iwi o Kāi Tahu whānui, ki ngā huatanga o a mātou.
lots of aspirations for Te Reo Māori in my life, but one of them is definitely that it becomes compulsory in schools, so my children aren't having to deal with the same issues that we are today.
My aspiration for Te Reo is to be able to speak to my grandchildren.
Be able to have a conversation with my father in Te Reo, which I can't do.
To spread it around the world so everyone knows the culture and where we're from. If other people can learn other cultures, languages, then why can't we do that with ours?
To become fluent and be able to hold conversations with other fluent speakers.
My kids to have their first generation speaking Māori because I've only just started now, so it would just be awesome if my family could speak Māori as their first language.
Ko aku wawata mo Te Reo, tuatahi kia ora ai Te Reo, kia te tuarua, kia tae taku reinga, te whakaako ki o rātou tamariki, hei reo tuatahi, hei reo I roto I te kāinga, kaua ko te reo whai kōrero, ko te reo o kawa anaki.